Hi there, this is the Archer T9UH, also known as TP LINK's AC1900 dual band Wi-Fi adapter. If you are considering purchasing this Wi-Fi adapter, keep watching. I've got a great video for you and you don't want to miss it. I am going to give you a full product overview of this device, talk you through the specifications, the pros, the cons, and I'm going to give you a full, unbiased and unsponsored review. Let's get started. So first of all, the Archer T9UH features impressive wireless speed potential with up to 600 megabytes per second using the 2.4 gigahertz signal and 1300 megabytes per second using 5 gigahertz. This connects to your computer using USB 3.0, which is backwards compatible with USB 2 and even USB 1. This adapter is advertised to work with most modern operating systems like Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, and even Windows XP. It also works with Mac OS and Linux. A lot of competitor USB dongles have one antenna to boost the signal. Now for this adapter, TP Link advertises 4 high gain antennas, which should in theory mean you can be further away from your wireless access point and still get a fairly good signal. The dongle also features beam forming technology, which should result in a more stable, stronger and more reliable wireless connection. Let's take a quick look and see what comes in the box. You have one AC1900 dual band adapter, one USB 3 cradle, one quick start installation guide, and you get one resource or installation CD. I'll put the dimensions for the product on the screen right now in case you're interested in that information. There are 2 options for installing this device into your computer. First option, you can plug it straight into a USB port at the front of your desktop or the back. Alternatively, you can use the optional USB 3 cradle that comes with this device. The main purpose of this cradle is to get your device out in the open in a place that is going to give you the best Wi-Fi signal. If you install this at the back of a computer near a wall, you're probably not going to get the best signal. So if you're in that type of position, you might want to use the cradle so that you can get a better, stronger signal. The cradle itself, it's fairly solid in its construction. It's made out of metals and plastic. It's quite heavy for its size and it does feel like quite a premium build quality. The cable that comes with this cradle is fairly long at 90 centimeters or 3 feet in length. This should give you some flexibility with where you place the actual dongle. Now I haven't just unboxed this USB dongle and then made a video to post to YouTube. I've been using this USB dongle for the last few weeks to access the internet for my everyday use. I wanted to give this a thorough testing so that I could report back to you, a potential buyer, to give you a proper, informative opinion. When I first plugged in the dongle, there was no requirement to install software or drivers, and the USB dongle started to perform and connect to the internet straight away, which was great. At first I was impressed by this and went about my normal internet use without too many issues, but fairly quickly I did start to notice the internet disconnecting and then reconnecting at random times. This was pretty quickly getting frustrating, so I decided to try to install drivers to see if that would make a difference. You can install drivers using the provided CD that comes with this device, but you can also download the drivers from the internet, which is what I did. After I installed the drivers, I had no problems at all with disconnects. The connection has been stable and strong, and the speed is significantly faster than what I was getting with my old USB adapter. If you do end up purchasing this dongle and you have some issues with connectivity, I strongly recommend that you install the most recent up-to-date drivers, and hopefully that will fix any problems you're having. So overall, I've been fairly impressed by this USB adapter from TP LINK. It has delivered on both speed and a reliable, stable wireless connection. Apart from some minor issues that I had before I installed the proper drivers, I haven't had a single problem. It works flawlessly and you don't have to think about it, which is exactly how it should be. If this video has helped you even in a small way, please help out this channel by subscribing and say hello by dropping a comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.